everybody, welcome to my vlog. Today, as you can tell by the title of the video, we are just getting my life together. You know, when you have a to-do list every day and then there's certain things that don't get crossed off and then they just keep getting added onto the other ones and you never do them. For example, for me, that's like making appointments like back at home that I know I need. For example, dental cleaning or like washing the sheets on my bed. I'm like, oh, I'll do it tomorrow. Like, ew, Gretchen. So today, I'm gonna do all the things that I normally put off, and it's just gonna make me feel a lot better that they're not like looming over my head, you know what I mean? So I just got all ready, as you guys saw, and Brooke is actually going to come over soon. We're filming a video together. I just have a lot to do today. We're gonna be really productive and get after it. But first, before we say hello to Brooke, I want to show you guys. Are you ready? I've been so excited for this. They're a little wet for my shower. Hang on, let me dry these puppies off. I have been so excited to talk to you guys about my custom shampoo and conditioner. Yay! So these are from Function of Beauty. I actually was so inspired. If you guys know me, you already know who I'm really inspired by. Aspen. You guys know I love Aspen and Parker so much, and Aspen had talked about how she uses Function of Beauty custom shampoo and conditioner for so long now, and I finally was like caved, need to try it, and I am so obsessed. Let me tell you. Do you see how much is gone? It's really not that much since they come with such big bottles, but I've been using these for like 3 weeks now, and I am so surprised that it's not way more empty. Also, I don't wash my hair like every single day because I know it's better to do every other or every couple or whatever, but I am so obsessed with these. I knew I wanted to wait to talk about them until I had tried them out for a while, but as you can see, my hair is doing great with them. It's so funny. I feel like hair is something you don't like notice as much on yourself, and you notice when other people say something to you. And I was just with my friend Emma, you guys know, Emma McDonald. She does YouTube too, and she's touching my hair. She's like, your hair feels so soft. And I was like, does it? And that made me so happy. I'm like, wait, I think it's working so well, especially for someone like me with blonde, color treated hair that's really long. The strength and the healthiness of your hair is certainly something I'm worried about. I feel like when I blow dry my hair, it looks like a little more like puffy, like it almost looks like frizzy right now, but my hair is doing so well overall, and I really have to thank Function of Beauty for that. So basically, you build your own custom shampoo and conditioner, and I really like that they have a quiz that is like so detailed and you answer so many questions. So obviously for me, I'm like, okay, I have naturally pretty straight hair, like this is what it looks like when it dries, or if I blow dry it. I have color treated hair, it's blonde, and something that I'm so worried about is brassiness, because if you guys know, if you're blonde, if you're naturally brunette or whatever, I think blondes in general just tend to get really brassy. And I don't know if you can tell, I'm actually getting my hair done later this week. I feel like towards the end it gets a little brassy, but overall it's doing really well, and it's still a really bright, like cool tone blonde, and that is because of this purple shampoo. And if you haven't heard of purple shampoo and you're blonde, ready? I'm about to like change your life. Your holy grail, your new favorite thing is gonna be purple shampoo, okay? You need your purple shampoo. It's going to tone your hair and make it look so nice in between highlights or dyes or whatever it is. So this is like literally, like I just couldn't live without it. So that is why this is this dark purple color, because if you guys ever talk to like your hairstylist, I'm so interested in it, so I always ask my hairdresser, and it's like it's on the opposite side of the color wheel as like the orangey yellow, so it really like cancels it out and makes it look like a nice bright blonde. So that's why I have my purple colored shampoo, and you can also pick like the colors or fragrances, which I love. And you guys, guess what scent I did? Peach. It smells so good. Oh my god, it smells literally amazing. That's another thing, when people compliment you on how your hair smells, you're like, I'm doing something right, because my hair smells so good. It's been smelling like peaches, and I love it so much. And then this is just my conditioner, and again, I just answer questions. I was like, okay, I need like strength, I need moisture, because my hair is obviously highlighted, the bleach is really drying, stuff like that. And I actually didn't add a color to this one, and now I'm wishing I kind of did, because they have really fun ones. Like I wish I made it pink, so it'd be like pink and purple, but I think in my mind I didn't want to get them confused, so I just left this one white, and then this is obviously purple, so I can tell the difference. But yeah, I just want to tell you guys about my favorite shampoos. Look at Function of Gretchen. They even say your name on there, and they're all custom and cute. I love the little pumps. I am such a snob for my shampoo and conditioner, and I really, really appreciate when they have the pumps so that I don't have to like shake it and the whole thing. So yeah, I just couldn't say enough good things, honestly. And I know if you guys want to try out Function of Beauty and build your own custom shampoo, conditioner, I know they also have like hair masks, hair treatments, stuff like that. It will be linked down below, and you guys will get 20% off with my link. So I would so recommend, check them out. You'll get 20% off when you try it out today. And yeah, I'm also so excited because I'm going to visit Max next week, and I again love that they have the pump, so I can just pump this into my little travel containers because these are for sure coming with me. But yeah, I just got all ready. I feel like I never get all ready like this so early in the morning, but like you said, Brooke is coming over. I have a filled day, so I had to get after it. Now I need to go make some food, and today's gonna be a good day, everybody. Okay, this doesn't look that pretty today, but avocado toast it is. Fresh memory card. This is the memory card we needed when we were doing that. Oh, I know. It was like we had to go back in and like delete every time. It's fine. Wow. Guys, I'm with Brooke. Yay! Hi. We just filmed for so long. We filmed so long for my video on my channel, and it's funny because it's gonna end up being like 20 minutes or whatever. I know, you know? But it's the highlights. So. Yeah, you guys are gonna get the best parts. And then with Brooke, we did a Q&A. Juicy. Go watch on her channel. It actually was juicy. And we were saying that we both have never talked about the topic that I will not disclose. You have to go watch. You'll have to go watch. My arm on your door. I was like, yes. Yes. And we have never talked about it before, so we talk about it then. And that's the tea, and you should go watch. And now Brooke is going to eat Sweetgreen. I don't know, what am I gonna eat? We have leftover chocolate cake. That's gonna be my lunch. Is that under that bowl over there? I was like, I was wondering why it was like that. Guys, show them. This is lunch. This is leftover chocolate cake under this bowl. That's so funny. I would do that too. That's why I'm like, I should probably go get a salad so I can actually nourish my body instead of just eat the garbage that's in my cabinet. Yeah. Like leftover cookies. It's all good. Guys, we were just saying how I'm gonna miss this view. It's such a cute little view. It's weird because I feel like in person it's right there, and I always say on camera it looks like far away. It does, but it really is, isn't it? Significantly closer. Yeah, and I like the lighting in this apartment. It's like it's so good because like we were just in that corner, and it's really good. It's good. It's just because all the windows. My thing is though when the sun sets, because I have good lighting in my apartment too, but then the sun sets and I feel like it's so dark. Yeah. Do you have that too? I guess you have good overhead. Yeah. I'm a big lighting person. That's so important to me. Wait, I feel like short next to you right now because you have your shoes on. Yeah. Usually I'm like, the other day I was with Arlen and he was like maybe to my shoulder because I was wearing boots. Oh my gosh. All right. Okay, that's all. Bye. Bye. I didn't even show you, but I just made some pesto pasta for lunch. It was very good. And now I have been just really productive and getting after it today. Haven't done all the little things like getting my life together like I said I would. That might get pushed to like tomorrow morning or after I record my podcast or something. We will see. But in this vlog, crossing my fingers, is that the right phrase I'm looking for? Yeah, crossing my fingers that I can get it all done. I'm promising to you, pinky promise, that's what I'm looking for. I'm pinky promising that I'm gonna make all those appointments that I need to make. And I wanted to, this is what I mean, getting my life together. I wanted to like wash my sheets today. Maybe tomorrow morning, cross your fingers, if we're lucky. But now I'm gonna keep getting after it, record my podcast for this week. And afterwards we have Soul Cycle, so that's what's going on. I feel like my head is like spinning because I have so much going on, but it's hi. We just had the best little soul ride. So fun. I was sad that I wasn't next to you. What? I was so close to you. I know. PP was 2 and I was 4, so it was just between us. So fun. It was the best playlist. Like, fun music. I don't know how my mascara stayed on. But oh yeah, Gretchen's makeup literally looks perfect after Soul Cycle. I sweat. But like I see it just goes into my hair. It doesn't really go down my face. Go down your face. Louisa's makeup was like down her eyes and we got out. Gretchen looks perfect. Where is Julia? We need to get perfect. Good morning. You guys. So yesterday I was getting my life together, but I wouldn't even qualify that as getting my life together. I would say it was just me being really productive and like banging out as much as I could in a day, and I really did. It was like getting ahead of my podcast because I hate when I'm like rushing to do it last minute. I feel like they don't turn out as good. And yeah, so I just did it like way ahead of schedule, and really like planned it out, took all the thought and time I needed, but I didn't do all the things that I feel like would help me feel like my life is together, more like wash my sheets or make my dentist appointment cleaning that I always needed to make or stuff like that. So we're doing it right now. Who else's bed looks like this after you sleep in it? Like, how did this even happen? I don't know. This is super hard to show with one hand, but oh, there's my washer. Yay! Checking that off the list. You guys, this is what this corner of my room looks like. I was just saying in my podcast, as you can tell, that I recorded yesterday, that there's always like a chair in your room or like a corner that all this stuff gets put that you didn't put away or it's dirty or whatever. So we're tackling this right freaking now. Better? Is that better? There's still a lot going on. I realized Wilson's bow was untied. How sad. He looks kind of sad. I don't know why his neck, I think all the fluff isn't in his neck, so he's kind of drooped over. But yeah, there's like a lot going on down there. I need to go through that. And then my flowers, so it looks kind of crowded, but we're making progress. All right, my closet's doing okay. Just needs a little tidy. So we're doing that right now. I was just gonna say, you guys, wow, my face tanning oil is working so well. I feel like it really is. I just love the glow that it gets me. I almost feel like the first day, what I noticed yesterday when I went to SoulCycle last night. Oh, you guys saw that it was my friend Julia's birthday, and then I didn't even vlog with her. But yeah, we were just busy like taking pictures and hanging out and stuff. But what I noticed is I feel like the face oil works so well, and my face and my neck were so tan, but since I didn't self-tan my body, my face looks so much darker than my body, and I was like, this is so funny. And the only reason it matters in the winter is if I'm wearing like a sports bra and leggings, you can see like my body other than my face, you know. But other than that, like, you are all bundled up in the winter, so you really only see the skin on your face anyway. So anyway, I really like it. This is the second day, but now I'm realizing I think I put bronzer on because all I did was curl my eyelashes. How do I not remember? It's morning. Like, I put on makeup like maybe 15 minutes ago. Did I put on makeup? I can't tell. My skin's been really good. I think I did a little bronzer, and then I just have the Neige, and I just curled my eyelashes because I'm feeling lazy today. So that's all we're gonna get. But you guys, let me set you up for a sec. Let me just PSA, if there's something you've been putting off doing and you're watching this video, this is the omen that you're supposed to do it right now. So go do it right now. I'm calling my dentist. I don't know why it's taken me this long. Oh, look, you can hear my sheets washing. See, doesn't this feel good? We're so productive. Guys, I'm so confused. I just got off the phone with the dentist, and I thought that I was so behind on my cleaning and that I haven't gotten one in like a year or something, because I feel like that just ends up happening when you like get busy, or if you like live, because my dentist is still in Albany. I should like find one here, but my dentist is still in Albany, and since I like live in Boston now, I feel like I like never go. I don't know, but I was like, can you tell me when my last cleaning was? I'm sure it was like forever ago. And he's like, oh, you were here in September. And I was like, what? And I booked an appointment in April, which is funny, it's so far in advance, but that's only 7 months after September, right? Or 6 months. So that's not even bad. I don't know why I thought I was in such bad shape. Look at me go, hey. Okay, what's next on my list for getting things set up? Cleaning, check. Oh, my last appointment, actually there might be 2 more that I have to do, or maybe 3. Oh my gosh. Basically, oh, it's been on my to-do list for so long, and I finally was going to do it the other day, and then I don't know what happened. I had all this motivation, and then I think I got overwhelmed. Basically, this can get like deep really quick, but it's okay. You guys know that I tried, I wouldn't even call it group therapy. It was like a life after loss group, and it was so not for me. I sobbed the entire time. The group setting wasn't working for me, and my mom actually loves the group setting, and she doesn't like meeting with someone one-on-one she would just rather be in a group setting. She feels like less alone and like she can relate to people. I just had the complete opposite experience, and it was really overwhelming for me. And one lady even like called me out and was like, you seem really upset over there, do you want to share anything, like speak? And I was like, no, like I don't want to say anything, and I just sobbed the entire time. Anyway, it was just, I know I vlogged that in the summer, so long ago now, and it was just like a lot for me. And I've been wanting to meet with someone one-on-one, and I was looking at different, I don't even know how to call them, like counselors or like therapists or psychologists, I don't even know the right word, basically like a therapy appointment. But I just feel overwhelmed, and I know I have to start somewhere and find the right one. So I'm actually gonna do that right now. I'm going to keep looking, but that's not even like something that I can just call and make an appointment, because I have to like find the right one. But I'm committing to doing that right now. I'm going to research and get it done. And the other thing that I was thinking of, if I have to, you guys know I do Simple Health for my birth control, and so basically it's just really nice because I don't have to deal with like going into the doctor's office all the time to get a renewal for prescription, whatever. But like I always say, it's not in place of regular like checkups with your doctor, and I don't know the last time I did that, so I might have to do that too. But anyway, I'm going to get into the thickets of research and try to find the right therapist for me, and hold me to it, you guys. You can comment on my videos in the future and be like, you haven't shown going to a therapist yet, like do it. Your higher best self wants you to do it. So I'm gonna do that right now. I think we're going to end off the vlog here because I'm just really proud of what I've accomplished yesterday and today. I feel like I was so busy yesterday that I barely vlogged, but that should be an indication of you of like how much I was getting done. You guys saw I was like filming videos with Brooke. Like I said, did my podcast, I filmed another video. I was just like, and yeah, I think I did all the little things that were making me feel like my life wasn't together. Washing my sheets, just like tidying up my room. I know it's like funny saying that, like they're little things, but like the littlest differences really just help like have you have a clear mindset, make you have a clear mindset. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this vlog, and I will see you in my next one.